Welcome to the Lumension Patch and Remediation video vignette series, in which we discuss how to use specific features and capabilities of Lumension Patch and Remediation to improve the security of endpoints in your organization's network. Hi, my name is Andrea Hellwig, and in this episode I'm joined by Russ Ernst from Product Management to discuss how you can reduce third-party application updaters in your environment using Lumension Patch and Remediation. A lot of third-party applications routinely perform automatic software updates, introducing unwanted add-ons and reconfiguring endpoints. Some internally developed applications are built on specific software such as Java JRE, and if users update it manually, they could actually break the internally developed application. So many organizations spend a lot of time and effort trying to reduce these third-party application updaters. So Russ, how can one manage this situation without impacting your users?
Well, hi Andrea. Using Lumension Patch and Remediation, we have a group of content that we call our system management content to disable a number of these third-party application updaters. Our customers are finding that if they're using Lumension Patch and Remediation to manage the vulnerabilities in their environment, then they want to limit the number of updaters they have present on the endpoints in their environment so they can be sure that these endpoints have the proper versions of the applications under management. So let's go ahead and take a look and review that specific content type called System Management. And that's found under Other, System Management. That'll bring up a list of all the system management content we have available, but we specifically want to see content to disable the updaters. I'm just going to filter this a little bit further to show system management that disables. You can see we have a number of disabling updater content here, but specifically I want to look at the patch to disable the Java update for JRE. If I click on this specific patch, it's going to bring me a list of all the different endpoints that I have under management that are currently not patched for this vulnerability. Specifically, I want to deploy this system management content to these two machines under management. This gives me all the same deployment options I'd have for any other type of deployment. But taking this a step further, some of these updaters tend to reinstall themselves when end users update the applications. So what I want to do now is I want to ensure that the machines that are under management always have this policy to disable those updaters. And the way to do that is to add this patch to our mandatory baseline. So now I want to manage my group, and this brings up my vulnerability management group, and I want to view the mandatory baseline policy I have for this group. What I want to do now is look for that specific disable Java updater. And here we go. Here's that policy right here. I want to assign that policy to this group. Hit OK. And there we go. This will ensure that all the machines that are in this vulnerability management group will get this policy to no longer have the Java updater on their system.
Great, thanks Russ.
You're welcome.
We hope that you enjoyed this short video on how Lumension Patch and Remediation helps you improve your security posture and lower your total cost of ownership. For more information, please visit the Patch and Remediation page on our website, where you can also get free premium security tools to assess your network today. Thank you.